Okay, let's go.
I got good news and I got bad news.
We need to climb, yeah, I know. But
the construction itself is still good, technically. I think it's closed.
yeah,
It's not only closed.
it's barricaded.
Okay.
You guys come?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why shouldn't we?
Okay.
There's a nail. I can feel it with my shoe. Hello.
Inside joke.
Man. Yes. Holy.
So cool. Ooh, what's this?
Plan for escaping. It's Soviet. Zary. Схема.
Схема
Управ.
управления. Probably.
Yeah.
Probably something for electricity.
I'm not looking. Oh shit. Damn.
I want these stairs.
Can I take photo?
Can we buy this place, please?
I'm taking the stairs home.
Take fireplace home.
Cool. Mini fireplace, but it looks cool.
Still doing its function, you know. Just
Watch yourself.
yeah. Well, there's nothing interesting actually. Or should we go like there?
I know there's nothing interesting, but the building itself is fucking cool.
Yeah. I mean like, should we go there or there is nothing interesting?
I'll check.
Yeah. If you're checking, I need to do it.
Oh damn, look. Still ice.
Wait, what?
So probably the snow this year broke this down.
It looks like a toilet. Or showers.
Looks like a shower. I see something definitely interesting.
Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Fine, I guess.
Okay. There's nothing here. but
If we buy this house.
yeah.
Oh.
Fucking glasses are fogging.
If we buy this house, I am taking this room. Butterfly? Take it. Take it or fake it. He's dead.
No, it's not. It just moved.
Yeah, I know. He's too weak.
It's cold.
Yeah, oh yeah. Alright, let's move. Somebody tried to seal the hole
Yeah.
and somebody just removed the wall.
Yeah, people just basically went like, fuck off.
Yeah. Oh, there's a room also.
Huh?
There's a room also. Yeah. Holy snap. This was toilets, definitely. Okay, let's go to the shoot. So much alcohol. Okay. Stairs are kind of broken, but I guess we could climb there. You going?
Yeah, one second, I'm helping this road.
Too scared?
Huh?
Too scared?
No, they just, it's like a big gap.
Oh. Holy shit. Oh, it's a bird! Hello, bird. There's a bird who is dropping rocks on my head. Oh, damn. What's this? Oh yeah, probably a chapel or something like that. Like mansions, manors or whatever. Those like had one like stuff like that. Yeah.
Stairs?
Yeah. That's the
Nice.
good. Wait. I'm going first. Give me a hand. Op. Just yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, those are stairs. Don't go there. Step only on the beams.
Yeah. Look at me.
Wait, is taking.
You know what this was? The
Sound-
notice
sound.
that you would like.
Sauna?
That was a sauna. Upstairs.
Why not chapel?
I'm saying this is, you know, though this looks this is broken, right?
Yeah.
But this still looks cool.
Yeah. There's a ghost. Why
Don't
didn't?
broke, your-
Why didn't I took that on camera?
Don't broke your legs.
Yeah, I heard that, but why didn't I took it on camera?
It's a good thing that my balls not hurting right now.
Let's go. I'm blue, da booty da boot. Hello. Centuries. What do you see?
Careful. Careful.
Hello.
Right.
Take a
Okay,
camera.
give me 1 second.
Oh, who's there?
Nothing.
Ooh.
Instructions. Look.
Yeah.
You see the hole here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I put my leg there.
Yeah,
And I
but
look-
should we go there? There's like only the attic.
Okay, let me check this.
There's something, yeah.
That's what I want to go to. Oh yeah, this is cool.
Oh, come on.
Cool, but not.
Don't intrigue me.
This is so cool.
You fucking bastard. Holy snap. There's another one. Okay, whatever. Another one set. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh my god. Oh, people, please don't see me. Nice. Nice.